Hey guys, welcome to Paths Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, on a bright sunny day, sometimes people decide to take a long drive. And while on a long drive, you might decide to go for a picnic, stop over somewhere for a picnic. Well, today I have some travel tips. If you plan to go on a picnic while traveling, firstly, choose a good spot. You can choose a mountain view, a beach view, or if you're just going on the countryside, you can just choose a good spot with green grass, somewhere you can set up your picnic venue. Secondly, check out if that place has facilities like restrooms and water. If they don't have, remember to stop over somewhere else for those facilities. Thirdly, make sure you have carried all the picnic accessories. Of course, most people usually carry blankets where they can sit during their picnic, and they, of course, carry their food and drinks, all the cutlery they need, but make sure you don't carry foods that can melt, like chocolates and ice cream. Fourthly, make sure stay safe. You carry items like hand sanitizers, water, tissues, and just items that can keep you clean and safe. Don't get contaminated food. And well, that's it when you're traveling and you want to stop over for picnics. Then also remember, picnics are usually advantageous because you save money on food and drinks that if you were going to a hotel, you could have used more money. And you usually have fun in outdoor activities. Picnics are usually done during sunny days or just days that are not rainy because it's an outdoor activity. You can have also a plan of activities you can do during the picnic, like biking, playing football, playing. If there are kids there, they can play with kites and balloons and have fun. Well, I hope you have fun when you're going out on your picnic journey. Well, that's it from Paths Oasis. For more details, check out my website www.pathsoasis.com. Your picnic experiences are welcome. You can put your comments there. Until next time.